Creativity is at the heart of 3D printing, whether it be a functional or a fun print. There are plenty of functional items out there, and plenty of fun ones. But what about both? The amount of printed games you can find online is a bit nuts, but I have considered one that I really liked for today's video. This is Equilibrium Tetris, Magic PLA style. It's basically like reverse Jenga, but with Tetris pieces. 2 players each need to balance a Tetris piece on the base, which is curved at the bottom, so it will teeter a bit when you stack the piece on. The higher the stack goes, the more it will teeter, and also, of course, the less choice of pieces you have, so you might get stuck with a piece that can't fit into any of the others, and if that happens... Who best to test this on than our fun-loving customer service team? Our customer service agents are very hard workers, but every now and then they need some stimulation. The introduction of a toy to their habitat has an immediate effect. One spots the unfamiliar game in their vicinity. The female approaches to inspect it. The others watch on, not sure if it is safe. Very bold compared to the others who are much more timid. This boldness is a common characteristic of the Italian variant of the customer service agent. And yes, it is now safe to approach, and the games may begin. The tension builds. The males are competing for dominion of the group and the seat next to the air conditioner. The stress begins to show. Risky moves are made, but finally comes to a spectacular end.
Oh, you suck!
Sometimes the customer service team can get a bit too excited. The great thing about this game is that it is quite adaptable. You could change the base to make it more difficult, making it teeter even more. Or you can decide to use only certain kinds of pieces. This is only a taster of 3D printed games you can find online. I can't stress enough how awesome these are and how simple they are to make. If you have any favorites, let us know. Or better yet, if you want to make one, reach out to us. We would love to hear about it.